students, in this session we are going to learn about the grammar. Okay, and in that we are going to learn about adverb. I select this topic because in previous session I taught you about verbs, and this is somehow related to the verbs. So today I am going to teach you about adverbs. See, adverb. Okay, do you know what is mean by verb? First, you have to revise that what is mean by verb. Okay, verb means what? We learn about that. Verb tells us about what naming words are doing, what naming words has or have. Okay, we learn about that. Do you know? Do you remember it? Yes. See, for revision, read the page number 48. A verb tells us the following about person, animal or thing. They tell us what they do, they tell us what they have, and they tell us what they are. Understood what is mean by verb? Now let's turn towards the adverb. Okay, what is mean by adverb? See, adverb, an adverb tells us more about a verb. What is mean by adverb? Which word tells us more information about verb? That word known as adverb. Understood? See, it tells us. What it tells us? How, where or when an action takes place. Okay? Adverbs tells us about verb and tells us about how, where and when action takes place. Okay? How, when adverb tells us about how action takes place, it called adverb of manners. Okay? When adverb tells us about where action takes place, it known as adverb of place. And when adverb tells us about when action takes place, it known as adverb of time. Understood? See the example of adverb which tells us how. See the example. Rahul clapped happily. In this, Rahul is naming word, clapped is verb, and how Rahul clapped? Answer is happily. So happily is the adverb of manner. Understood? Happily. See the next example of where. Meena is playing there. In this sentence, Meena is naming word, noun. Playing is verb, and we ask where Meena is playing. Answer is there. So we got information about play, extra information about playing. Where she playing? There. So there is a adverb of place. Understood? See the next example. When, adverb of time. We met him yesterday. Okay, in this sentence, we is naming part. Met him, met verb, and extra information. When we meet? At yesterday. Yesterday tells us about timing or extra information of meeting, verb. So yesterday is also known as adverb of time. Understood? Now open your textbook on page number 57 for better understanding. Adverbs. Read the following sentences. The baby is crying loudly. They are talking softly. The car is running fast. The words loud, softly, fast tell us more about the verb is crying and talking and is running. The answer They answer questions. How is baby crying? Loudly. How are they talking? Softly. How is the car running? Fast. The words loudly, softly and fast are called adverbs. This adverb tells us how an action is done. Here is one question for you. Question A. Underline the how adverb is this in these sentences. Rahul clapped happily. How Rahul clapped happily. Happily is the answer. I drive carefully. How I drive carefully is the answer. So carefully is the adverb. Anu reads well. How Anu reads well. Well is adverb. The children ran excitedly. How children ran excitedly is a verb. Adverb. They were talking loudly in the class. How they were talking? They were talking loudly. Loudly is the adverb. Students, you have to solve remaining ones. Okay. Now read these sentences. Meena is playing there. The bird is flying above. Turn the page. Jyoti is waiting downstairs. The word there, downstairs and above tells us more about the verbs. Is playing, is waiting and is flying. They tell us about where is Meena playing? There. Where is Jyoti waiting? Downstairs. Where is the bird flying? Above. The word there, downstairs, above are also adverbs. Okay, they tell us where the action have taken place. Now, question B. Underline the where adverb in these sentences. Mohan is playing outside. Where Mohan is playing? Outside. Outside is the adverb. Jyoti is standing there. Where Jyoti is standing? There. There is the adverb. Vandana is waiting upstairs. Where she is waiting upstairs is the adverb. The boy looked up. Where the boy looked up. Up is the adverb. You have to solve remaining examples. Now next. Now read these sentences. Tarun is present in the class today. The birds are flying now. Manoj gets up early. The words today, now and early tells us more about the verb in present are flying and gets up. When Tarun is present today, when are the birds flying now? When does Manoj get up early? See the next page. The words today, now and early are adverbs. That tells us when the action have taken place. Underline when adverb in these sentences. We met him yesterday. When we meet, yesterday is the adverb. It is sunny today. When it is sunny today. So today is adverb. It rained yesterday. When rained yesterday is the adverb. You have to solve remaining one. Okay. See, and this definition you have to mind it well, or you have to write in notebook also. An adverb tells us more about a verb. It tells us how, where or when an action takes place. Understood? Okay. Underline how adverb in green color, when adverb in blue color, and where adverb in pink. You have to use proper color. Okay. The mobile rang loudly. Loudly adverb belongs to how. Mr. Sharma went outside to pick the call. Outside is adverb belongs to where. Her friend's voice was not clear. Clear is adverb of how. The baby was sleeping soundly. Soundly related to how. But no, on hearing the noise, it woke up. Suddenly related to how. The baby looked for her mother everywhere. Everywhere is related to where. Okay, like that you have to solve remaining. Now next, fill in the blanks with how adverb from the box. Excitedly, slowly, bravely, happily, quietly, fast, neatly, carefully, loudly, eagerly. Okay, see. The baby cried loudly. The soldier fought bravely. The thief entered the house slowly. Tia did her homework neatly. The tortoise moved fast. Okay. You have to solve remaining ones. Okay. Now see the next question. Fill in the blanks with where adverb from the box. The guests are waiting there in the garden. Please come inside. Neha is on the first floor, so Neeta has gone upstairs to call her. We looked for dog everywhere. Remaining you have to solve. Okay, see the next question. Fill in the blanks with when adverb from the box. The school is closed today. My best friend will arrive tomorrow. I go for swimming classes daily. I had fever yesterday. You should leave now if you want to reach Shimla before evening. Like that you have to solve remaining examples. Last question. Take the correct adverbs given in the brackets. Please read the story carefully. I will meet you soon. We were waiting for them eagerly. Oh, on holidays I get up late. Rohini sang sweetly. Students, you have to solve remaining examples. Let's revise. Hello, I am an adverb. I tell you how, where and when an action takes place. Understood? Students, you have to complete these pages in textbook and write in notebook also and send me the photocopy. Thank you.